Hey guys, welcome back to my 4C experience. I'm here pre-Valentine's to give you a Valentine's look. Yes, something easy, something straightforward. As you can see, my hair is blow dried. If you want to see how I blow dry my hair, I'll put a thing up here to make sure that you can check out how my method to blow drying my hair. Yeah, if you're new here, welcome. If you're not, glad to have you back. Make sure you are subscribed so you can catch all of my videos. Make sure that you comment, like, share. What are your favorite looks for Valentine's Day? I have no babes, so all my aunties out there, please just it's above me now. So for today's look, I'm doing something really easy. I've never really had to do a Valentine's look before on my natural hair, so yeah, I wanted to do something that was quick, easy, and you know, kind of quarantine lockdown friendly. So everything I'm doing is stuff that I have at home. I haven't bought anything extra. So I'm using Camille Rose Curlaid Moisture Butter, 24-hour edge tamer. I'll also be using my hairbrush, wide tooth comb, and a slick brush, edge control brush thing that has a rat tail comb as well. A hairband, some bobby pins, and if you want to really spruce things up, I haven't decided yet, so I've either got this like red rose headband or this black tie headband, but we'll play around with both and see which one I prefer. Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna start off by taking the section of my hair and doing a side parting, preferably on my favorite side, and I'm gonna make sure that parting is as straight as possible, only because I kind of have an OCD thing with partings and I really want them to be as straight and clean as possible where needs be. This doesn't have to be the case for you, especially for that second back parting, because for the style you won't really see it, but you know, that's kind of what I'm going for. So I'm just going to tidy that up a little bit. And I want to use a hairband to just push that to one side. As you can see, the parting is a very clear demarcation from the rest of my hair. So I'm going to take my wide tooth comb and just comb up around the rest of my hair. I'm combing out any hidden agendas, any bumps, any whatever, just so that it's a nice smooth ponytail. That's what I'm aiming for right now. And then yeah, just tidy that up and make sure that it's all kind of slick back. Yes, ponytail. Right, so I flipped over, and what I'm gonna do is make a bunch of medium-sized twists, and I'm gonna use my Curlaid butter to help moisturize my hair and also make sure the twists come out really nice. I want to make sure that all of the twists are like a medium to large-ish size. I don't want them too small. So as you can see, I'm also twisting in a downward direction. I really want to make sure that all the twists are going in one direction and going in the direction I want it to fall. Otherwise, because one thing I've definitely learned is a twist out. If you twist straight forward and upwards, it will go upwards. So my hands did get tired, so I did bring it to the front, but it still fell in the same direction as everything else. Back to the front section, what I want to do, hold on, wait, pause. Can you not see how straight that parting was? Like, I didn't even use a comb, the tail comb. Wow, no, actually, you know what? That must be a natural parting because it doesn't make sense. But yeah, what I'm doing is literally the same thing, slightly smaller size twists, because the result I don't want it to be too chunky, but I don't want it to be too small either. Obviously this section is going to be a bit smaller because it's the edge, but as I go through, I will make sure to make it slightly more medium sized. And by medium sized, this is maybe like the size of a pencil. Also, one thing I like to do when I twist my hair is wrap the end of the twist around my finger. just that helps it curl better, and when I unravel it, it looks more in line with the rest of the twist rather than just a little bit sporadic. One thing also to be sure of is make sure the twists are equal size. As you can see, both strands of a twist are about the same size. You don't want one too big or one too small. And then I'm just going to pin it to the back because I'm getting ready for the curlade to curlade and let it set. I'm going to take my edge tamer and just put that on the front part of my hair. I'm not going for like slick, but I want like all the flyaways to just lie down. So yeah, I'm just going to do that along the edges and make sure that front bit is flat and smooth and there's no stray hairs sticking out, because that's not what I'm trying to go for here. Do you see what I'm saying? Do you see what I'm saying? I did forget to mention you'll need a satin scarf just to make sure it lays flat, and I'm going to leave that on for about an hour whilst I do my makeup. Okay, so I want to unravel the twist at the back. I'm going to do this so gently and make sure that I don't separate each strand. The sizing of it is perfect, so I just literally want to unravel the twist and keep it as it is. Not done yet. I'm going to take the curlade and just use it to moisturize my fingertips because I was feeling a little bit dry, and I want to carefully do the same thing and unravel the front twists. Again, being very gentle. I don't want to cause any frizzing. I don't want to separate the strands into further like twist out. I literally want each 2 strands to be the twist out. The only part I'm separating is at my scalp, and that's because I just want it to have a bit more volume. Now for my edges. Now if you watch any of my videos before, you know that I don't pay any special attention to my edges. I am not an edge slayer, it's not my forte, so my technique may be not the technique you're usually seeing, but you know, it's what I do. So anyway, I'm snatching up my sideburns and just making sure everything kind of flows nicely with the rest of the style. And I'm going to take a bobby pin and I'm going to gather the ends of my ponytail and pin it just at the back of my head. So I have like a textured bun type of thing, kind of like this. Kind of cute, isn't it? Now for the finishing touches, I'm going to try out both headbands. This one is giving me very much Ascot vibes, like it's not what I'm going for. It's cute, but it's not what I'm going for today. As for the red one, I think it fits just perfectly. I'm going to pin the twist out in the front to the side and just have like a textured swoop bangs thing going on there. Anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure you don't forget to subscribe. Like this video if you enjoyed the styles. Would you try it? What did you think about the Camille Rose curlade moisture butter? I knew it worked wonders. I knew it worked wonders. Take care. God bless. I see you next time.